Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to play music on your LG TV. Alright, so first of all, make sure you get a USB flash drive if you're not going to use the internet. And of course, we are going to use the built-in music player. Alright, so in order to do that, you're going to connect your flash drive. It's connected at the back, usually on the left side. And of course, this is a LG ThinQ TV. The next thing you're going to do guys is to navigate over. And you have two options. You can go either to the flash drive directly. You can find it here. You'll notice it shows up here. Or you can try the other option of going across, and you can either go to Home Dashboard, or you can launch the media player directly. Now the media player itself can be launched, so I'll show you from that method. Alright, and it will take you to the flash drive itself. Alright, same as if you were to go into the dashboard, select the flash drive, open. Alright, so here we are. Now I have some videos on here. I don't want to get a copyright strike, so I'm going to play some of my videos that are loaded onto this device. Alright, so I have a file here that I call not copyrighted. Alright, so once you hit play, alright, so once you go in, you can select your music. Alright, so that's one. And of course, I can play my own recordings, not to get a copyright strike. Alright, so here's something I recorded. That's more practical. You can bring up options down and select. You can then switch to your music. You can shuffle. You can no repeat lyrics. You can screen off, meaning the screen will go blank. Click any key to turn back on. You can go to options. And you can use the user guide or quit the app. Alright, so you get the idea here. It's quite easy. Alright, and that's how you use the music player. It's direct, and you can use it to play in your files. It also works with your gallery, so you can actually have your photos play while you're seeing what's happening with the pictures. Alright, so that's a cool feature to add as well. Alright, when you're finished, you can eject the flash drive by using dashboard, selecting your flash drive and hitting eject. Alright, so that's it. See you in the next one guys. Bye.